We've got Jess Bravin, a Supreme Court reporter at the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court has struck down DOMA, an opinion by Justice Kennedy, holding that it violates the equal protection guarantees of the Fifth Amendment. It is a 5-4 decision, joined by the liberal members of the court, the Chief Justice, Justice Scalia, Justice Thomas, and Justice Alito. The four conservatives have all dissented, although they have dissented through different opinions. There is only one opinion for the court. Again, it's Justice Kennedy speaking. He's reading the opinion right now, and the bottom. This is a lengthy opinion, as you might expect, in such a important and contentious issue. And as we see, okay, just let me cutting to the final end. Here, let me just read you from the opinion. DOMA imposes a disability on the class of same-sex couples by refusing to acknowledge a status the state finds to be dignified and proper. DOMA instructs all federal officials, indeed all persons with whom same-sex couples interact, including their own children, that their marriage is less worthy than the marriages of others. The federal statute is invalid for no legitimate purpose, overcomes the purpose and effect to disparage and to injure those whom the state, by its marriage laws, sought to protect in personhood and dignity. This opinion and its holding are confined to the lawful marriages.